morning mga chuy, mga chay. Morning internet, good morning viewers. Dito ako sa west of Interstate 90 heading to Tacoma. So meron pa akong 3 hours and 17 minutes. Hello. Hi, good morning. Yeah, just want to confirm if I can pick up the load now. It says here it's already released. How many is a BUL number? Okay, yeah, it's a Bravo Eco 246 5408. Yeah, I got here 359 535. Yeah. Also, I'm good to pick up now. Right on. Thank you so much. All right. Hey, sounds good. Thank you. Bye-bye. You too, ma'am. Bye-bye. Good to pick up. So, ngayon, kasi yung aking pick up ay tomorrow pa sana. But, ready to pick up na siya. Gagawin ko naman yan to contact ng escort pilot dahil wala akong quick card ng port. So, kailangan kong mag-book ng pilot. Arrival 1 o'clock. Hello? Hi, good morning. Yeah. Good morning. Oh, I need an escort going to Tacoma today. Will be arrive around 12, maybe 1:30. Yeah, I will be arrive at 12. I can still have 300 kilometers to port, and they have a lunch break, right? Yeah. Say again. EB1 terminal. Yeah, you want it? Yeah, 1447, that's correct. Alright, sounds good, Sarah. It's Sarah, right? Okay, thank you so much. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. So, book na ang appointment for Twig Escort. Ano ba? Ready to pick up na yung aking load sa Port of Tacoma. Then, pagdating doon, yeah, I'm not looking na makaalis agad ako ng Tacoma kasi rush hour ng 3 o'clock. Kahit magpapalipas ako ng gabi doon, then permit that day, the same day today, Thursday, the same day yung permit. So yun, advance ang tawag, confirm kung pwede na pick upin sa port ng load. And dito, yung port dito, hindi mo kailangan makipagsiksikan. Meron siyang time kung kailan ka papasok. Meron kang escort na tinatawag na Twig Escort. Wala akong Twig card. Pinapakuha nila ako ng Twig card pero ayaw kong kumuha ng Twig card. Why? Yung Twig card ay magagamit sa buong port ng Amerika. So kung meron ka kasing Twig card dito sa Q-Line, meron ng quick card, may hawak ka, pinapadala ka nila sa loob ng mga port kagaya ng Tacoma, Longview, port ng Houston, kasi yun ang pass mo eh. Okay? Yun ang pass mo, yung quick card na yun. Baltimore, malaking port yan, kung saan na putol yung tulay last year ba yun? Doon, Port of Baltimore. Correct nyo ako sa aking pronunciation sa Baltimore. Right? Ngayon, pag meron kang quick card, yung company, si Q-Line, papadala ka niya dun kasi may mga load dun sa port eh. Madalas ang pinapadala na dun sa port, yung laging pumapasok ng port, ay yung meron quick card. So bakit kailangan ng quick card sa port? Kasi hindi sila magbabayad ng quick escort. Ang quick escort ay nagre-range ng $55 USD per hour. Okay? Per hour. So walang problema yan, babayaran niya ng line. So alin ang mas may advantage, na meron kang quick card or mag-book ka ng escort, quick escort sa port? Meron kang quick card, babalik ulit natin, papasok ka sa port kagaya ng Baltimore. Pag pumasok ka sa Port of Baltimore, pag check-in mo doon sa Baltimore, sa laki, sa lawak ng kanilang yard sa port, pag sinabi sa yung dito ka pumunta, dito yung load nandito, hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta, hindi mo alam kung nasan, kasi ang daming sanga-sanga niyan. Magpaikot-ikot ka ngayon sa loob ng port ngayon, dala-dala mo yung trailer mo, hahanapin mo yung terminal na sinasabi. Pag wala kang quick card at mag-book ka lang ng quick escort, babayaran nila $55 an hour. I'm not sure magkano na dito sa Tacoma. Sa Port of Baltimore is $55 USD per hour. Yung escort mo, i-guide niya pag check-in mo doon, kasi alam nila eh, dadali ka sa loob, nandito yung load mo, dito ka maghintay. Pag may quick escort, pag wala, ikaw yung magkahanap na saan ka pupunta, saan ka pa-parking. Yan ang trabaho nila. Wala silang hazard, meron silang access sa loob, alam nila paano ang kalakaran sa loob. Legal yun, ha? Hindi siya under the table na bayad ng quick escort. So kagaya nito sa Port of Tacoma, Port of Longview, basta lahat ng mga port dito, papasok ka doon by yourself. Ngayon, siyempre hindi ka naman lagi pupunta doon, hahanapin mo yung load mo, nasaan yung load mo. Sa laki ng port nila, maubos yung oras mo. Kaysa doon sa magbabayad ka ng escort, bayad sila, alam nila kung saan pupunta, saan yung area na yan. So which is which ang pipiliin mo? Magkaroon ka ng quick escort or kumuha ka ng quick card, di ba? Pero kung kukuha ka ng quick card, babayad ka I think $200, babayaran mo ng credit card, and then i-refund nila yan. Pero ipapasok nila sa sweldo mo, may kaltas ng tax, diba? Sasabay nila sa sweldo yung i-refund naman nila yan. So pag may quick card ka, papadala ka na sa mga port, kasi ang daming load sa port, yung mga binababa sa barko. So doon ka lagi sa Tacoma, and sobrang traffic dyan sa Seattle. Sa Port of Baltimore, sobrang traffic sa Baltimore. Kung saan yung nandun yung port, yung area niya, matraffic yung lugar. So ngayon, sabi ko nga the last video, na yung feeling ko na parang doon ako papadala sa Tacoma dahil nasa Calgary ako eh. So yun agad, dito ako pupunta ngayon. But good thing, ready to pick up, nakabook na ako ng quick escort, and then kailangan ko na lang dumating on time kasi yung aking quick escort is around 1 o'clock ngayong tanghali. dyan eh, nakahang dyan eh. Nakahang siya gamay. Let's nakita dyan si Kwan. Okay, di kita pwede dahil dari mo lagi. Di pwede dari mo lagi. Di pwede. Apa? Apa buahnya agak ni? Ellensburg ko mo agak ni. Hanggang white. Nine yung white sa tulay ng ano, Colombian River. Yan ang nag-construction. Dili niya. So, malamang dili ko mo agad pabalik. Sa kuha ni sa Ellensburg.
Baby, I don't work down there anymore. No, I don't. Oh, Ray, Mama, sure is getting late. Come on now, Mama, don't you hesitate. Grab my hand, where we land. I got the champagne. We can knock it back, get on track, jump on, ride this thing. Double down, roll the dice, take off now, don't think twice. Hey, don't you wanna play? Say hey.
Left toward 20th Street East. Keep left toward 20th Street East.
What did you left?
Turn right at the traffic light, then take the third right.
Oh guys, welcome back to Tacoma. Hindi naman pala doon. Welcome mga choy, mga chay, Tacoma. Let's go. Alam nyo bang napaka-busy dito? Kaya napaka-busy port. Ayaw gumana sa apps. So para mas mapadali, card. Tagal eh. Yeah. One moment. Huh? Please see us inside if you're having issues with the sorry for the safe travel. Oh. Kaya pala. Merong issue. Tara sa loob. So, I'm all set. Meron silang issue sa pump. Not sure kung fuel up na ako ngayon dahil mamaya pag load ng equipment medyo malaki, hirap makapasok dito. So babalik na lang ako dito mamaya para sa weight, pero hindi na ako mag-fill up.
In 1 kilometer, turn right.
Ito yung way papuntang AB1 Port of Tacoma, guys. Daming pasikot-sikot. Baka pwede kong masilip yung aking load dito. Wala akong idea. Wala akong idea kung paano nila i-load, kung ako ang maglo-load. It's my first time na bumalik dito na RGN yung aking dala. First time. Yun ang mga load.
In 800 meters, turn right.
First time na RGN yung aking dala dito. Yun oh. Yeah, kita ko na. May mga gulong na. Yun. Nakita ko na ang aking load. Hindi yung load ko talaga. Nakita ko na yun. Ang dami nila eh. Ayun oh. Ayun oh. May naglo-load na.
Turn right.
So ilo-load siya with tires kasama yung gulong.
Turn left, then take the first right.
Bushel. Itong transport ito from Atchison.
Turn left.
lakas pa ng ulan. Dito hindi required ng helmet. Basa akong
Okay. That's not a brake.
That's not a brake.
Okay.
What's that?
That's nothing.
Okay.
Don't even worry about it.
Okay.
This is like in neutral or park, right?
Yeah.
To go forward, you come out and you go forward. But you.
Okay.
Okay. So there's a little button on the back here.
What's the purpose for that one?
You gotta hold that when you get ready to go.
Okay.
Okay. There's a parking brake right here. See right here? See the P? And right there on the little.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Okay.
That's P.
If you push that off,
Okay.
it takes it off, right? But you do that right before you get ready to go. Okay. So you're gonna come out, and it revs up a little bit, and you're just gonna barely,
No clutch, eh?
no clutch, barely move it. See how jerky it
what's the
is?
brake?
The brake is you bringing it back.
Bring it back.
Okay. This is neutral
Uh-huh.
or park or whatever you want to call it. That's reverse, and that's forward. So as soon as you get out of here,
What's see here?
that's reverse.
Okay.
So if you're gonna, I'll just show you. Okay, we're gonna go forward a little bit, just barely. Okay, and then if you want to stop, you just bring it back into neutral.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Then just turtle, right?
Yeah, it's on
Then
turtle right
parking.
now,
Okay.
and that's the parking. So before you do it, hit the parking brake,
Yeah.
and then go ahead. You can just mess with it for a second while I'm still sitting in here. No, that's not a brake.
Yeah. What's
Tilt, and then your tires that you can see right here and right there. Okay,
yeah.
they're not gonna turn.
They'll
It's
turn to
the
back.
tires in the back turn.
Okay.
Okay.
So that's the steer.
And then when you're loading it, these are wider, right? These are wider than the ones in the back.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But other than that, that's the ticket.
Okay. So I'm gonna.
You're gonna hit the parking.
So this
brake.
one is nothing, okay?
Nah, you don't. It's not gonna do nothing for you.
Which the button here? Which one the button?
It's okay. You just try it.
No, I'm gonna back up.
You want to back up? Okay, that's forward.
Can I adjust this one?
Yeah, I don't know how. I don't. Okay, hold on.
This is starting this.
Okay, it's gonna lock right
That's
there.
it. Yeah. All right. Okay, let's do it.
Just go and bring it back. Bring it back and stop.
Okay.
So you know how.
All right.
All right.
Then reverse, right?
Yeah. But the more you push it forward, the faster you're gonna go.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
If you just barely do it like you were just doing it, you'll be fine.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
And if you need to back up or whatever, because what you want to do is your steering wheel's about in the center of that thing. So
Yeah.
you want that center of that thing, right, to be about the center of your trailer.
Yeah,
right
the
there,
dive-
where
the
that
dive
little,
pin.
that little triangle, right?
Yeah, the dive pin. Yeah.
Yeah. And line it up. You might have to back up a couple times
Yeah.
and get it straightened up. And then if you can't get it on, we can always get a foreman over here to guide you on.
Okay.
Okay?
Yeah.
But just flag me down.
Yeah.
Let me get down. Go ahead and set that brake.
Yeah.
Set the
Brake.
All right. Let me get down.
Whew. This is it, guys. Sabi ko sa inyo. Okay, I have to do this. This is it. Woo! One shot. Let me see. Oh,
Now you're a couple inches further this side than you are on this side.
but a couple inches.
By about that much.
Ah, that's okay.
Okay.
But my tires is all on the platform.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I mean, the tires are wider than your trailer, obviously. But you'll see, like here, you got a couple inches over. On the other side,
other
they're
side?
about this far.
That's okay. Ah, that's okay. That's okay. So I'm good.
Okay. There you go.
Ito yung problema. Yung isang gulong. I mean, nasaan na yun? Lalabas na ako para yung aking pilot. Yun, meron. Yun o. Pero kukunti yung space. Yun, pwede dito. Pero tatamaan eh. Shackle.
work. Tapos shackle dun sa likod. Ito pa oh. Pwede pa dito eh. Yun lang. Walang malagyan ng shackle dito na side. Holy smoke. Nilagyan ng tornilyo. Fuck. Shit. Holy smoke. Ito yung pangit. Okay. Ano pala siya dito sa ilalim? Yan lang. Hindi siya magkasya. Apat ang baka din na. Apat na kadina. Wala. Wala siya. Tali na. Yung kagandahan sa plant, meron siyang dito diring sa deck. Okay. Whew. Oh, smoke. Ulitin ko to kasi bawal to. So lagyan ko lang. Lalabas ko. Ayusin ko sa labas. Bumaba na siya dahil tawag doon, na-compress ng gulong eh. Kabit ko lang yung truck. Labas ko na tatapusin. Hinihingal ako. Malapad nga to. Meron pa oh. Pag mga yellow, production yan sa Europe. Galing Europe yan, walang production yan dito sa Amerika. So sinasakay sa barko. New Holland, ito ay gender. New Holland is from Europe. Oh, di Dafo, galing Europe oh. An import. Wow. Oh, Q-line. Ay, laki na kanyang load oh. Caterpillar. Oh, grabe. 13 axle. Woo! So lalabas ako, paparking ako dyan dahil wala pa rin akong permit. So Q-line din oh. I don't know why it, no it's not. Kuha ko ng permit, susukatin ko, then saka ko tatapusin yung aking securement. Whew. I don't know if may babayaran pa ako kay Sarah. Sarah?
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you. Have a good rest of your day. Safe travel home.
Yeah, you too, ma'am. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Guys, yeah, perfecto. Nakasampa talaga sa ano. Nice one. Maganda kung may mag-guide eh. So yung aking kukunin dito sa side. kung anong lapad niya. 2 feet and 1, 2, 3. 2 feet 4. 2 feet 5. 2 feet 5. Yan, no? First time ko nakakarga nito. 2 feet 5 and then 2 feet 2 feet 2. 2 feet 5, 2 feet 2 plus 8.6 guys. 8.6 tong lapad ng trailer. So anyway, kuka tayo ng ano, ng sukat doon sa pinaka tip niya. Then itutupi ko niyang kanyang ano. Okay, yung side mirror niya. Makakuha lang ako ng permit din kahit bukas na ako tatakbo. Wala na eh, abot na ako ng curfew today. Oh, 15 feet. $49. $410. $49. Yeah, $49. $49 yung lapad niya. $49. Yeah. Ah, meron pala sa dito. Hindi lang 49, 15 feet. Meron pala siya, oh. Itong bakal sa taas, oh. Yung alam niyo bang pinaka-importante, again, ang pinaka-importante sa oversize, yung height niya. $14.10. Yeah. $14.10. Height 41010 39683. Trailer length 53. Ganitong paglagay namin ng dimension din. Didiretso na to sa permit namin. 0, overhang 0. Couch. Border crossing. Serial number 627104. 627104. Lakas na ng ulan. Whew.
basa guys. That's it. So wala akong permit. I think may bagyo, nakita ko kanina. May papasok ng bagyong yun eh. So hindi mo na ako makakalis dahil wala nga akong permit today. But the good thing is na-load ko siya by myself. Wow, I'm proud of myself guys. I'm proud of myself. Wow, kaya pala. Yung nga sinasabi ko sa inyo na dito sa mga port, ikaw talaga yung maglo-load, hindi sila. Gagayad ka nila pero ikaw yung mag-ooperate ng equipment paakyat sa iyong deck. Kaya simulan ko na uling magsasanay, simulan ko na uling magpa-practice dahil hindi na pwede yung sinasabi ko na oh, hindi ko gagalawin. Basta sa customer, hindi ko lang siya gagalawin. Sila na lang siguro sa customer. But basang-basa ako. Kapalit na ako ng ano. Oh, thank you Lord. So, ang kagandahan, yung schedule ko pa dapat ay bukas yung aking load. Kukunin ko pa bukas sa dito sa Tacoma, pero nakasulat sa papel. Uy, basta. Kasulat dito ay naka-release na sa custom. So, kaya kanina tinawagan ko ang gate kung pwede na siyang pick upin. And then pag clear sa kanila na pwede nang pick upin, okay na. Then saka ako nagpa-book ng aking Twig Escort paloob. Kaya synchronize or nakahilira na lahat yung aking gagawin. Hindi na yung mga paano gagawin ko dito. So clear schedule or setup ng Twig Escort, then load, karga ang machine, secure, labas. So hindi ako umabot ng 2 oras sa loob. So walang kinita yung escort sa akin, siguro $55 or $60 na yung kinita niya dahil hindi ako umabot ng 2 oras. Pinakamatagal ko, wala pa yata akong 1 oras sa loob eh. inilabas ko agad. Dito ko tinapos yung securement, everything. And then puntahan ninyo sa aking sa Facebook page. Meron akong binidyo dito, isang bata na Canadian. Nag-start siya as 21 years old. And then nasa Hibby Hole siya. Siya yung pinakabata na Hibble, 31 years old. Nasa Hibby Hole na siya. Kasi basta panoorin nyo sa aking Facebook page, yung nandito sa YouTube. Panoorin niyo yung isang Canadian na nag-start siya na 21 years old, and then nakuha niya yung 13 axle na haba ng trailer. Ngayon is 31 years old. So 10 years ago siya ang pinakabata na Hibby Hole ng Q-Line. So anyway, tapusin ko na tong video. Kailangan ko na magpaalam, kailangan ko lang magpahinga dahil wala naman akong permit. So ang gagawin ko lang dito, maghintay hanggang bukas dahil bukas pang opisina. So Friday bukas na ma-release ang permit and ma-navigate ko agad kung saan ako dadaan. But for sure papasok ako ng Couts kasi Couts papuntang Lethbridge is napakalapit na lang. Lethbridge yung aking destination ng load na ito sa Western Tractor ng Lethbridge. So daghang salamat sa inyong pagtanaw. Pag amping mo permi, huwag niyo kalimutan mag-likes and comments. Daghang salamat, good night and keep safe, and they will keep on tracking.